Ready to turn those lemons into something sweet? We're making old-fashioned lemonade. I have 6 jumbo lemons here that I've washed off, and I am going to peel these, and I'm making sure just to peel the yellow part. You don't want to peel the white part, and make sure you save all the peels in a bowl. This is what they should look like. And you're going to pour 2 cups of sugar on this and mix everything well. And then you're going to let this sit for 30 minutes. This helps pull all the oils out of the lemons and it gives it such a nice flavor. Trust me, if you skip this step, your lemonade is not going to be as good. While the peels are sitting, you're going to go ahead and half all of your lemons and you will squeeze out the juice. I'm just going to squeeze the juice into a pitcher that I have. And after you do this, you can remove any seeds that happen to get in the juice. Next, you're going to boil some water. And after it's been 30 minutes, you can go ahead and pour that over your lemon peel mixture. Go ahead and give everything a good stir. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to go ahead and remove those lemon peels. After you remove all the lemon peels, you'll let this mixture sit until it reaches about room temperature. If you need to speed up the process, you can go ahead and add some ice after 20 minutes. After the mixture is cooled, you'll go ahead and mix this with the lemon juice you squeezed earlier. Give everything a good mix. I like to store my lemonade in some mason jars and put these straight in the fridge, but you can drink this right away. Just get some ice and fill your cup up, and now you have some awesome old-fashioned lemonade. Try my old-fashioned lemonade recipe and let me know if this hit the spot, and share with me any ways that you put your own twist on this.